Hello, my love. Welcome back to the 30-day meditation challenge by Lavendaire. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today to release stress and anxiety from your daily life. We'll start in a comfortable seated position with our palms facing up. Close your eyes. We'll take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale, fill up your belly. And exhale out through your mouth. Let it all out. Another inhale through your nose. And exhale. One more inhale, fill up your belly. Get that fresh, beautiful air in your lungs. And then exhale, let it all out. You can continue breathing through your nose naturally. Notice how your body feels after some deep breaths. Notice how much calmer you feel. Take this moment to connect with your inner peace, that calm current that is always there. Now with each exhale, relax your body and continue to soften. Relax your head, relax your forehead, relax your eyebrows, relax your cheeks, relax your mouth. Feel your entire head and face soften and melt. Moving down, you can relax your neck, relax your shoulders. We carry so much weight and tension in our shoulders. So take a breath in, and on your exhale, release the tension. Relax your heart. If you're holding anything in your heart, let it go. Allow your heart to feel lighter and softer. With another breath, relax your stomach. If you have any tension or tightness in your stomach, release and relax it all away. Tell your body that you are safe and you can relax now. You are safe and you can relax now. Relax your hips. You can bring some gentle movement if it helps you release some tension in your hips. Relax your thighs. Relax your calves. Relax your ankles. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. Enjoy this pure feeling of total body relaxation. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. Just simply exist, relax, and enjoy being in your body. Your body is so strong and so beautiful. Your body does so much for you, supporting you every day. Your body allows you to live a joyful life. It allows you to thrive. It allows you to move and dance and sing and do all of these beautiful things. Take a moment and truly appreciate everything your body does for you to support you. Remember that your body deserves so much love. It gives you love, and you should nourish it in return. I will now share some positive affirmations. Feel free to repeat them with me in your mind or out loud. I am relaxed. I am safe. I love my body. I am grateful for my body. I prioritize and nourish my well-being. I have everything I need within me. I love myself. I trust myself. Now let's take 3 final deep breaths with an open mouth exhale. Inhale through your nose. Exhale. 2 more just like that. Blink open your eyes and notice the peace and calm you feel within. Have a beautiful rest of your day, sending you love and light. Namaste.